kasi kami, ano ba yung mga pwede nating i-add pa na activity sa mga months na wala pa kaming sariling activity namin. So, naisip namin, February, napaka-busy nung month, ang daming event, but di namin sabayan ng activity na fit din dun sa theme nung month. Kasi February is Arts Month. So, dun siya nag-start. Supposedly, iniisip namin, workshop lang, pottery class, ganyan. Hanggang sa nung may mga nakausap na kami, nag-evolve into an arts market. So, nakipag-partner kami kay Siemens Sketch. Ganun lang siya kasimpleng nasimulan. And I think magiging annual na ito kasi maganda yung vibe niya, maganda yung dating niya. And the community is receptive dun sa activity.
I think this venue started off as like a food park, but now it's become a destination for the arts and crafts. So they're doing it now for the National Arts Month, pero hopefully it will be a more regular event. Hopefully, maybe the next one is on Mother's Day or towards Christmas. And then magiging siya, it will be like a pop-up, like different destinations, different locations. So people can go around, tourists or the locals can come and meet the artists, buy local food, and see what's happening in the arts and crafts scene in Olongapo, Zambales. And I think some artists are also from Bataan. So it's something new, it's something that can grow. So hopefully what we started here today will continue in the years to come, so that we can make SBMA more colorful, most especially to the creatives. Dahil napakadaming creatives na hindi naman pa either nakikilala or hindi lumalabas. So I invite you that when the next one comes around, that you would also be a part of it.
Actually, una po namin concept talaga is Sip and Sketch. Yung Sip and Sketch po, more on parang community sa cafe, tapos mag-drawing, parang get-together ng artist dito sa Olongapo kasi wala pa po naggagawa ng ganun in a way. Nakatulong rin po sa mga cafes natin locally. Kasi ang po namin, system po namin dun is parang order sila ng drinks tapos mag-drawing sa cafe. So parang nakakatulong din po sa cafe in a way. Tapos, nag-grow po siya sa Sip and Sell.
Bali, yung concept po ng Sip and Sell is the same po with Sip and Sketch. Sa cafe po, nakikipartner po kami sa cafe. Ang pinaka-partner po namin, yung nang madalas po ay Sibol Kapihan. Kasi yung outdoor space po nila maluwag. And then, they're open their doors po for the local artists. Wala pong bayad yung tables. Kasi isa po sa gusto po ini-aim po namin dun sa local market, art market, yung mapalabas po yung mga beginner artists, yung mga gusto pong mag-try, magbenta, mag-sell, mga emerging artists po. Nakatry nila kung gusto ba nila yung ganong klaseng way pag-market or i-showcase po yung mga gawa nila.
Mahilig po ako sa art. So, artist talaga ako. So, may booth din ako doon sa nagpe-paint ako, then I wanna try something else. So, masaya, actually, para may ibang magawa naman sa Subic Bay, actually. Kasi maganda yung art community. So, para din na-experience ng ibang tao yung mga ganitong workshop. So, maganda po siya.